Just wanted to give a quick update. I know I haven't uploaded any videos in quite a while, so you haven't seen anything from me in the past week or 2 weeks or however long it's been. And we've had massive flooding in our town here in Watseka, Illinois, just central Illinois. And so we've had issues at our church, so I haven't even been able to be in my office. We had to rip all the carpets out and everything because floodwater got into the church and ruined all sorts of stuff. So right now we are trying to get some funds together for those who do want to help us recover the things that we had lost at our church. We're thinking it's about $10,000 worth of damage. We don't have the exact number right now, but we are looking to get some help, and mostly because just if you follow me on Twitter, you know, I've been kind of keeping everyone updated, and I've had numerous pastors in different churches contact me and ask, you know, how they can help and how they can donate money financially and things like that. So I did set up a page, so if you want to, you know, help out, that would be an awesome thing. If you're not able to, that's fine. You obviously don't need to do that, but do keep us in prayer and keep our community in prayer. You know, it's kind of an amazing thing. We spent time in Chicago area, and we're only about 80 miles south of Chicago, something like that. And we stayed with some friends up there when the flooding came in because we were worried it was going to get into our house. Thankfully, it didn't. It got into our garage and filled up our crawl space, but didn't actually hit the house. So that's a really great blessing that we were spared. But just up north, you know, not too far, nobody even had any idea what was happening down here, that there was this terrible flooding. So, you know, a lot of people aren't even aware of what's been going on here because we're, you know, a small town, it's a small county, you know, it's not Houston, so people don't really even know what's happening here. But if you think about it, please just keep this community in prayer. And there are a lot of needs that people have beyond ours. You know, we are thankfully the damage was minimal that we had to face, but there were many people who lost their houses, lost everything that they had. So please do just keep this community in prayer and pray that this would be an opportunity for the pastors and others in this area to be able to use this as an opportunity to bring the gospel to those who are in need. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'll get back to regular recording and uploading at some point. All my recording stuff and all my books and everything are at the church right now, and everything's kind of packed away so that people can get in to fix everything up there. So I don't know how long it's going to be. But anyway, thanks so much. Keep us in prayer. God bless. We'll see you again soon.